You know, when you're living out of your car, it's not good when the motherfucker breaks down. Y'all, I'm telling you. Look, I'm sitting here next to a fucking dumpster. Fuck your trash can. This is life, you know? Shit happens. Sometimes you gotta throw you know, hummus and fucking potato salad across the highway because you're pissed off. So what I like to do is just crash with a friend for a week and really, you know, just throw potato salad across the access road last night. It happened. But when in doubt, drink Fanta. Because it's fucking delicious. And also, fuck your trash can. Yeah, my car's fucked.